Hey guys, this is Chris over at Ace Vacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia, 300 Fort Evans Road. Don't forget to like us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Today we're just going to talk to you guys. I know for a lot of you all, we do a lot of different things as far as repairs and services. So today we just wanted to go over some stuff that we do. In case you guys didn't know, we work on all types of vacuums, from upright vacuums, canister vacuums, bagless vacuums, all makes and models, from Bissell, shampooers, hoovers, different things like that, as well as iRobots, Roombas, all that kind of stuff. If you guys take a look here, I'm just going to show you guys a quick overview of some of the stuff of what our back room looks like here. So as you can see, we have a wide range of variety, from Dysons to Riccar to Hoovers to Mealy. Basically, we got it. If you got a vacuum that's broke or in need of repair, we can do it for you guys. So come check us out here at Ace Vacuums. We have all the stuff you need for all your cleaning needs. Thank you guys, and have a great day.